How to take advantage of a free PTO accrual calculator. Introduction to PTO management. Managing PTO is tough for both employees and employers due to varied policies. A PTO calculator simplifies this process, making tracking easier. Understanding PTO. PTO, or paid time off, is a crucial employee benefit. It includes time off for vacation, sickness, or personal reasons while still being paid. Accrual-based PTO. Accrual-based PTO means earning PTO over time worked, like earning 1 hour of PTO for every 20 hours worked, allowing gradual accumulation. Lump sum PTO. Lump sum PTO provides a set amount of PTO at the start of the year or after a specific period, simplifying management but can be used up quickly. What is a PTO calculator? A PTO calculator is an online tool that helps calculate accumulated PTO, offering customization for different company policies, and is typically free. Key features of a PTO calculator. Essential features include accrual tracking, logging PTO usage, calculating PTO payouts, and customizable settings to match company policies. Step-by-step guide to using a PTO calculator. To use a PTO calculator, enter your accrual rate, total worked hours, log used PTO, regularly check your balance, and calculate any PTO payouts. Benefits for employees. Employees benefit from accurate tracking, better planning and management of leave, financial insights, and increased transparency in PTO accrual. Benefits for employers. Employers benefit from efficient leave management, policy compliance, improved employee satisfaction, and better control over PTO liabilities. Choosing the best PTO calculator. Select a PTO calculator with a user-friendly interface, customizable options, accurate calculations, and additional features like PTO payout tracking.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social platforms.